Hey everybody, I'm Adrian Bustamante from adrianbustamante.com, and I'm here today to show you how to make an easy 3-cheese ziti. Now, when I say easy, this is easy. You can do more complex versions of the ziti, but this is something if you want to make something quick, easy, and get it all done with. So, of course, first we're going to start off with our ziti. Now, this ziti has already been boiled. We just bought some nice dried pasta from the store. We're going to place this in our bowl. Break it apart here if you need to. And then next will be marinara sauce. Now, of course, you can make your own marinara sauce at home if you'd like. I'm going to use just canned marinara sauce that I really am fond of. Oh. And now we start adding some of the cheese. Now, two of the cheeses are going to be some grated Parmesan and Pecorino, which I have put together here. So we're going to take this and put almost all of it inside here. I'm going to save a little bit for the top, and then some shredded mozzarella. This is fresh shredded mozzarella. Fresh is always the best in my eyes. I'm going to save the rest for the top as well. Now, all I'm going to do is just mix these together here. Now, when you're adding cheese to the ziti, you can add multiple things. If you want to make the third cheese ricotta instead of pecorino or instead of Parmesan, go ahead. I always try and stick to mozzarella with the recipe though. It just adds a little bit of extra something to it. But yes, you can replace any of these cheeses with whatever cheese you're more fond of. So once that's all mixed together, you're going to take a baking dish. I'm going to take a small little baking dish here, and we're going to put whatever fits in the dish right through here. There we go. Don't be afraid to get it all in there. Perfect. All right. Now we have this all set. Now we're going to add more cheese. So of course we got to add more cheese. Now this is going to add that top layer of cheese to it. That's going to just be nice and bubbly and warm once you pull it out of the oven. I'll show you that in a second. Add this cheese to it. Place it all the way around it. Just make sure it's spread evenly across the top. And there you have it. That's what it's going to look like before you put it in the oven. You're going to place it in the oven about 350 degrees, roughly for about 20-25 minutes or so. But I happen to already have one ready in the oven. I made a little bigger one, but this is what it looks like. Now you can leave it in there a little bit longer if you want to kind of have it brown even that much more, but I'm a big fan of just kind of giving it that nice even color and just being nice and stringy almost when you pull it off. So when it comes off, it should come off nice and melted just like that. Now I'm going to take my time in eating this because it just came out of the oven. I don't want to burn my mouth, but that is some good baked ziti. Folks, that's it. That's simple. I'm Adrian Bustamante, and this has been how to make a 3-cheese baked ziti.